folks. What we have here is a 71, see the license plate, it's 1971, 442 convertible in that bronze copper color. Look at this car, will you? Good Lord, look at this car. Looks like the wheels are a little wider than stock. Looks like they're 8-inch. That's cool, I like that, no problem with that. I've always loved these bucket seats. Those are some comfortable bucket seats, like lounge chairs. Wood grain dash, which was very in style back in those days. Wood grain inserts on the panels. Holy cow, what a car. W30. The Ram Air hood, is that what they called it? That was Pontiac. What Oldsmobile called theirs? We need to make a phone call to Dr. Oldsmobile and find out what. Dr. Oldsmobile, I need a Ram Air hood option. Send me a prescription to my local pharmacy. Check out how they did the 442. That's color coded. That is cool. I hope you guys can see that. Man, what a beautiful car. Look at the way they did those hood hinges. I mean, hood pins, I'm sorry. You just twist them. Shit. Neat, very neat. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to move on to this next little car over here.